Hello everyone, it's Janhavi and today we are making a simple quilling design. You can also do this design on an envelope. So let's get into the video. For the design we will need 8 red strips. The width of the strips should be half a centimeter. Then we need 2 to 3 green colored strips. The width of these strips should also be half centimeter. And lastly, we need a pink colored strip whose width should be 1 centimeter. If you don't have a particular type of strip, you can cut them out from color papers or you can paint white strips in your desired color. Now let's start with the process. First, take all your red strips and cut them into half. Once done, quill your strips into a coil. You can use a quilling needle for this. Let loose the coil as shown. Make an eye-shaped quill by pinching both the sides. If you don't have a quilling needle, you can also quill by hands as shown. Lastly, stick the ends using glue. Similarly, make total 4 such eye-shaped quills. Now for the remaining strips, coil them and then loosen up as done before. Here the difference is that we have to shape them like a leaf, or you can say as the letter S. For that, you have to press both the sides in opposite direction. Again, stick the end with glue. You have to make all the other remaining strips into S shape or the leaf shape. Now to sum up, we have got 12 S-shaped petals and 4 I-shaped petals. Now let's make the flowers out of these petals. First, decide the position of your flower and then stick the I-shaped petals. This is going to be the middle of our flower. Then we have to stick 2 S-shaped petals to the left and right side each. Similarly, make 2 more flowers as shown. I am making the flowers at different angles. I am also making a bud by using the eye-shaped petal. We have completed all the flowers. Let's start making the stems. For that, first draw a dot at the bottom. This dot will be the origin of all the stems. Measure the length of the stems like this. Similarly, we are going to make the stems for all the flowers. Apply the glue as per the position of the stems. Then stick the stems vertically as per their size. Once done, take your pink strip. Measure it as per the width of your envelope and cut. Stick it to the side of the envelope, leaving some space like shown. Now cut 3 green strips whose length will be slightly more than the width of the envelope. You can say that the green strips should be longer than your pink strip, approximately by 2 to 3 cm. I am cutting remaining 2 strips by taking reference of the first strip. Once you have cut 3 green strips as per the length, take one green strip and fold it like a fan. Make sure the folds are very small to achieve the required effect. Now stretch it a little bit so that it matches the width of the envelope, or you can say it should match the length of the pink strip. Then apply glue to the middle of the pink strip and then place the green strip on it. Don't press too much so that the folds remain intact. Fold the remaining 2 strips in the same way. You can also use this machine which is made for this purpose. Once done, stick these 2 strips to the left and right of the pink strip. Once dry, you can cut off the excess. I am also adding some stems in between using the green strips. You can also stick some decorative things like this. Our quilling design is completed. Hope you found this video useful. And if you did, do give it a like. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.